I love it. I don't know. I, mm, I love it. It's love. My name is Eugenia. I'm 34. I'm from Germany, and I'm beautician. I'm searching for adventures, and it's my second Camino. Yes, I like to travel because it make you addictive. Camino make you yes, when you make it at first time, you will repeat it more and more.
Why?